The Delhi Development Authority has recently launched its housing scheme. On offer are around 12,000 flats available across various locations of Delhi. But considering the track record of past such schemes, will there be any takers this time around? Onitam Ojha visited some of these locations to see if the units on offer are worth investing in.
These are the LIG flats in Rohini Sector 34-35 which are on offer under DDA's new housing scheme. At the first glance, it all looks nice and pretty with pretty paints, but the real story lies behind this pretty facade. Meet Meenu and Vaibhav, who are among the very few allottees who moved in here after having got possession of their flats under DDA's housing scheme of 2014. Their initial euphoria of having won a DDA flat fizzled out in no time.
पानी का मेन दिक्कत है क्योंकि पानी दिल्ली जल बोर्ड का है नहीं यहाँ पे, ये कभी आता है कभी नहीं आता, फिर दिक्कत हो जाती सबको, सभी परेशान हो जाते हैं। तो बाकी थोड़ा बहुत गुजारा चल रहा है, मतलब इतने सब खुश कोई नहीं है यहाँ पे रह के, परेशानियाँ ज़्यादा है, कभी झगड़ा कभी लड़ाई।
Clearly unhappy about the lack of basic amenities here, Vaibhav wants DDA to first provide the basic facilities to the existing allottees.
2014 से 2017 तक यहाँ पे लाइट, स्ट्रीट लाइट्स नहीं है, सड़क नहीं है, पानी की समस्या है, अभी तक ड्रिंकिंग वाटर दिल्ली जल बोर्ड का अभी तक यहाँ नहीं है। तो मैं डीडीए से यही रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ वेंकैया नायडू साहब से और एलजी मिस्टर उदय प्रताप सिंह से कि आप लोग नई नई स्कीमें लॉन्च करने से अच्छा है कि आप 2014 की स्कीम के जो लोग हैं उनको पहले बेसिक फैसिलिटीज दें।
The story is no different here in Jasola. If there was a lack of basic amenities in Rohini, here it is a matter of poor construction quality and lack of maintenance.
हम यहाँ 4-5 साल हो रहे हैं हमें रहते हुए। डीडीए ने पर फ्लैट 1 लाख रुपीस लिया हुआ है एज अ मेंटेनेंस चार्जेस, पर कंडीशन तो आप देख ही रहे हो, सीवेज प्रॉब्लम और पूरी बिल्डिंग का इवन वाइट वॉश भी नहीं कराया तब से डीडीए ने।
Aware of such issues, Urban Development and Housing Minister Venkaiah Naidu, while launching the housing scheme for 2017, had a piece of advice for DDA.
I only urge upon the DDA, live up to the expectations of the people, maintain quality, create proper infrastructure, make regular supervision, and then allow people to come and inspect their residences before they occupy the houses, so that they can be satisfied. And then
Out of the total 12,072 apartments on offer, 87 are high-income group apartments, 404 are mid-income group apartments, 11,197 are low-income group or one-bedroom apartments, and 384 are Janta apartments. DDA has removed the 5-year lock-in period which was there in the previous scheme of 2014. Now the buyer can sell off soon after allotment and registration. This time the apartments are freehold instead of leasehold. Eligible allottees can avail interest subsidy of up to 0.67 lakh rupees under the credit-linked subsidy component of Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban.
No matter what the ground reality is, you cannot beat the people's interest for DDA apartments. Already 27,000 forms sold for flats under the new housing scheme. Given the interest, maybe it's time for the authority to pay some heed to the minister's advice. In New Delhi, Onitam Ojha, NDTV.